Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ìféolúwa. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú Ìféolúwa. Learn Yoruba with Ìféolúwa. To my new subscribers, I want to appreciate you guys. I want to say thank you and I love you. There is nothing you can do about it. I love you and there is nothing you can do about it. And to my returning subscribers, to my family, I want to say thank you guys and I love you. There is nothing you can do about it. Thank you very much. And in this episode we'll be talking about types of verb. I'm sọ̀rọ̀ lórí oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe tí ó wà. And our last episode we discussed about verb and the examples of verb. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá a sọ̀rọ̀ lórí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àti àwọn àpẹẹrẹ. If you've not checked that, please check it out to know more about verb, to know definition of verbs and examples of verb. I'll put the link down here so that you can check. And today we'll be talking about types of verb. Oríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe tí ó wà. Today we'll be talking about different types of verb. Number one, we talk about 4 types of verbs. Yeah, 4 types of verb. Number one, transitive verb. We'll talk about intransitive verb. We'll talk about inseparable verb. We'll talk about separable verb. That's ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àgbàbọ̀. That is transitive verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àgbàbọ̀, transitive verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìgbàbọ̀, intransitive verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìgbàbọ̀, intransitive verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìgbàbọ̀ ni intransitive verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe ẹlẹ́là ni separable verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìlẹ́là ni inseparable verb. So those are the type of verb we'll be discussing about today. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àgbàbọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àgbàbọ̀, that is transitive verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àgbàbọ̀, transitive verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àgbàbọ̀ sọ ohun tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àbọ̀ nínú gbólóhùn. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àgbàbọ̀ ó sọ ohun tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àbọ̀ nínú gbólóhùn. Bí àpẹẹrẹ, Kọ́lá ra ọkọ̀. Kí ni Kọ́lá rà? Ó ra ọkọ̀. Kọ́lá ra ọkọ̀. Rà ni ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àgbàbọ̀. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Kọ́lá? Ó ra ọkọ̀. Kí ló ṣe Kọ́lá? Ó ra ọkọ̀. Transitive verb, that is ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àgbàbọ̀. Now, transitive verb use a direct object. Kọ́lá bought a car. Kọ́lá bought a car. A ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àgbàbọ̀. A ó máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìgbàbọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìgbàbọ̀ wọn kì í gba àbọ̀ nínú gbólóhùn. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìgbàbọ̀ wọn kì í gba àbọ̀ rárá nínú gbólóhùn. Intransitive verb. Intransitive verb. They have a subject. It has a subject, but there is no object to act on. This verb talks about the subject, but there is no object to act on. Òjò rọ̀, in Yorùbá example, fún àpẹẹrẹ, òjò rọ̀. Òjò rọ̀. Òjò rọ̀. Rọ̀ ní ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. A dẹ̀ sọ fún wa pé kò gba àbọ̀. Olùwà ni òjò. Ọmọ náà sùn. Ọmọ ní olùwà. Kò sí àbọ̀. Kò ń gba àbọ̀ rárá. The baby slept. The baby slept. The baby slept. There is no object to act on. They do not act on any subject because there is no object to act on. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe ẹlẹ́là, separable verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe ẹlẹ́là, separable verb. Àwọn ni ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe tí a lè là, tí a ó sì fi ìsọ̀rí ọ̀rọ̀ mìíràn bọ̀ láàrin. Àwọn ni ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe tí a lè là láti fi ìsọ̀rí ọ̀rọ̀ mìíràn bọ̀ láàrin. A lè là wọ́n, a lè pín wọn, kí a tún fi ìsọ̀rí ọ̀rọ̀ mìíràn bọ̀ láàrin. They are verb that we can split and it can use a direct object. This verb, they use a direct object and we can split them. Bí àpẹẹrẹ ní èdè Yorùbá, for example, Pàdé. Olú pa ilẹ̀kùn dé. Olú pa ilẹ̀kùn dé. Bá wí. Ìyá bá ọmọ wí. Ìyá bá ọmọ rẹ̀ wí. Ìyá bá ọmọ rẹ̀ wí. In English, for example, there are verbs that we can split. Shut off. He forgot to shut the light off before he left. He forgot to shut the light off before he left. That's shut off. Shut off. Then we now use it in the sentence that he forgot to shut the light off before he left. pàdé, olúpa ilẹ̀kùn dé, olúpa ilẹ̀kùn dé. Báwí, ìyá bá ọmọ rẹ̀ wí. Apin, àlá, ó dẹ̀ sì ní ìtumọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìlẹ́là. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìlẹ́là. Wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe tí a kò lè pín. Inseparable verbs. They are verbs we cannot split. We cannot split them. They must be used together, because if you do not use them together, you won't get any meaning out of it. Inseparable verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìlẹ́là. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe yìí ni àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe tó jẹ́ pé a kò lè pín wọn, a kò lè là wọ́n. Tí a bá là wọ́n, kò sí, wọn kò lè ní ìtumọ̀ rárá. Bí àpẹẹrẹ, jẹun, báwo, olú jẹun. A kò lè pín sí méjì, jẹ no rárá. Olú jẹun. Báwo ni kí n ṣe ṣe? Báwo ni kí n ṣe ṣe? A kò lè pín rárá. Báwo ni kí n ṣe ṣe? The wayward boy carried on without his father. The wayward boy carried on without his father. Carried on ní ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. Carried on is a verb. Carried on, we cannot split it. Is an inseparable verb. We cannot split it. So we use them together. The wayward boy carried on without his father. And that is all for today. I want to appreciate you guys for staying. I want to appreciate you for listening. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I love you all. Thank you very much.